Now, more than ever, we are still making an impact. But our story doesn't start in 2020. Let's turn back the clock. March 10th, 1955. The Boys Club of Martinez was founded for the promotion of physical, mental, and moral well-being of boys. And in 1958, the El Sobrante Boys Club opened its doors when a group of parents concerned about the lack of facilities and activities for boys in the neighborhood pioneered the movement out in their community.
You know, the club we had a creek in the back, and we were able to go out and catch fish and stuff like that. Now, 25 years later, the things I remember all the time about that place.
Since our founding, parents and community members have spent countless hours building and renovating our clubhouse sites. And numerous other club sites opened up throughout Contra Costa, in Richmond, San Pablo, and Pittsburgh.
If I did not have the club around, I probably would have just been hanging out and getting myself in trouble. So I think it helped me become more responsible as I got older and stayed attending the club.
What all of these clubhouses had in common was that they were a safe place for kids to go to learn, have fun, and be inspired. Each clubhouse had mentors that changed kids' lives.
That was my most fondest memory because it built me, it built my character, and it built my leadership skills, and it built just everything that I am today. Is the reason, is because of, people like Lorna, people like, the staff, like pushing me to even sign up and try out to be Youth of the Year, right? So that was pretty awesome.
Through the years, some clubhouses in Contra Costa had to close, and others have merged to become the Boys and Girls Clubs of Contra Costa. Today, we are serving hundreds of club kids throughout Contra Costa and continuing to change lives.
I would know. I was one of those kids.
The first time I picked up a camera, I was in the clubhouse. And today, I'm going to college to study filmmaking, and I am making videos like this every day.